Diyan pa start. Atas, Bang Hanafi.
Wisman, Papo. Mungkin yang baca. Bahkan kan juga Wisman kan juga. Beraya kalian siapa?
Tak ada Cik Nah yang baca.
Kalian
Tak Cik Nah yang baca. Okay. Assalamualaikum. Dear all Muslim, most will know that Indonesia is one of the most populous country in the world. However, if you live with them, you will easily know the behavior of these Indonesian state officials. Aceh, as the majority population is Muslim, is still colonized in various ways, on one of which is the state of living, which are always full of complication given by Indonesia. The evidence is that the killings that committed by their military against Aceh during the conflict were never brought to justice. It's beyond the law. Right now, the morals of the Indonesian official are in complete contradiction with the religion he professes, even to the extent at giving a ridiculous example by equating the call to prayer to the sound of a barking dog. Any Muslim will be offended by the statement made by the Indonesian Minister of Religion. Things like these are not known by Muslims in the other countries. Therefore, Muslims in other countries should know that Indonesia is often hypocritical. Their government is similar to the behavior of communists who hide behind the name of Islam. We in Denmark are the result of the injustice committed by Indonesia. They tend to resolve conflicts with violence. They have forgotten the killing of our people, the people of Aceh. Even if there is peace, it is not fair, and it is also denied, such as the little similarity in the Hudaybiyah agreement. Equating the call to prayer with the voice of a barking dog is not a Muslim morale. Not even a disbeliever would say so. Everyone should know, this is Indonesia. Aceh.
dekat tu. Ambil tu gambar tu dah ke adik.
Aceh
Merdeka!
Aceh merdeka! Papua merdeka! Maluku merdeka! Kru semangat Komando Masa Aceh ni kalon. Baik mantang galak tapi dalam Indonesia. Agama kai perlu. Mantang saja Indonesia. Merdeka. 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 Merdeka.
Aceh merdeka.
Merdeka. Merdeka. God, terima kasih Komandum Syadara. Ini acara spontan apa God, insya-Allah berguna ke Komandum bangsa Aceh, umum ji ke Komandum umat Islam. Ini oleh buah bendera, sabah bendera Denmark, sabah bendera Sweden, sabah bendera Norway. God menan, terima kasih. Walaupun acara BO tak melakai bermuguna, jut ne dengar siga dua narit walaupun dalam bahasa Aceh, insya-Allah hantu tak kirim tag dalam bahasa Indonesia supaya orang-orang mupum. Terima kasih ne bagi live-nya Komandum. Gad menan lo akhir kalam wabillahi taufiq wal hidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi taala wabarakatuh. Merdeka, merdeka, merdeka.
And other groups who strive towards self-determination, equal rights for all, and freedom. The Afrikaner specifically is marginalized.
Free aja. Mereka. Free aja. Mereka. Free aja. Mereka.
Merdeka. 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 Merdeka.
Mereka. Free Aceh, Free Papua, Free Maluku. International solidaritas.
Okay. You. Try to overcome.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi taala wabarakatuh. Nyo matawro ino. Nyo olbo kota Lemui Pu Raya Denmark. Hubung dong kerja dong berarti entah urang berarti ke preh rezeki no. Lo Lemui le. Naik got dua boh tu ke dan dari sentral pi Lo Lemui le. Jadi ino fungsi dua boh dari kantor dari sentral dan urang jangan dapat atau urang terang ketapui stasiun ketapui Olbo Denmark.